Hi, welcome to Python interview preparation. One of the most questions that is frequently asked in the interviews is swapping of two variables. It is a very basic question to understand whether person is aware of Python or whether a person is good at logic at the basic level. So that is the reason this question is mostly asked in many interviews. So we can swap the variables in different ways using the third variable. Without using third variable, without any using any third variable or extra variable, sometimes we will say this is also a temporary variable. And the last one is Pythonic way. In many interviews, the second one without using extra variable or third variable is preferred mostly. First, let's go ahead with the first one. I am taking two variables, a is equal to 10 and b equal to 20. After applying my logic, a should contain the 20 and b should contain the 10. So let's print the a and b values first. Print a comma b. So this is for swapping. After swapping, print a comma b. If I execute this, you can see that before swapping I had 10 20 and after swapping I had 20 10. Initially I had a is equal to 10, b equal to 20. So in the logic in these three lines I have done c equal to a, that means c contains the 10. So c as well as a both contains the variable value 10. Now I have given a is equal to b. So in the second line c contains the 10. Now a and b contains the 20. Now in the last line I have given b is equal to c. C is already having the 10. So it will be 10. Initially a is equal to 10, b equal to 20. I have taken the third variable which is referring to c, Now I said a is equal to b, that is b a contains value of 20. Next I said b equal to c, that means b contains the value of c, which is indirectly nothing but the a. This is the first way. Let's proceed with the second way, which is nothing but without using any extra variable or temp variable or third variable. Without using third or extra or temp variable. Here I will take a is equal to 10, b equal to 20. Before swapping, I will print the a and b values. Next I will apply my logic. A is equal to a plus b. Now a contains value of 10 plus 20, that is 30. Next I will say b equal to a minus b. Now b contains value 30 minus 20 equal to 10. Next I will say a equal to a minus b. Now a contains 30 minus 10, where now b value is the 10, equals to 20. After swapping a and b values. Next one is, third way of this one is Pythonic way. So I will take a is equal to 10, b equal to 20. So simply I can give a comma b equal to b comma a. So after that, if I print a and b values before and after swapping, it will get changed. This is the most simple one, but interviewers always check for the logic, so they don't want this has to be applied in the interview. But in the real time, this is the best one to be applied every time. So what will happen in the third way? A is equal to 10, b equal to 20, and then I have given a comma b equal to b comma a. So here, if you see, this is the b value will be assigned to a and a value will be assigned to b. So this concept also comes under the packing and unpacking in the Python. So to understand more about packing and unpacking, so I will be uploading a few more videos related to the Python. So there will be a specific topic called packing and unpacking in the type Python that also will be updated very soon. In case if you are watching these videos after few days from today is 18th June 2021. Maybe this video also already exists for the unpacking and packing. You can go and check the Python playlist. Thank you. So I will be coming up with one more important interview question in the upcoming videos.